We're truly out there to help people. It's not just about making the sell. We like to say we take the salespeople out of this approach and we just look at the science behind it. The Infinity from Marvin fiberglass windows are truly the best window that you can put in your home.
When you get a chance to have us out to your house, you get an experience that's going to go through step by step, showing you exactly what would fit for your project and also give you the best solutions that you would want to make sense out of and put into your home.
When customers decide to invest with Infinity from Marvin and our fiberglass windows, there's going to be no surprises. We're going to tell you what product you're getting, how it's going to be installed, and so that when I leave that home and I give them an accurate proposal, I want them to feel like they can trust me.
I think they're very professional. It was a big contract. I mean, it was a big item, and just signed the contract and agreement and felt very comfortable because of that. Also, you know, you're busting out windows and putting in new windows. You're nervous about that day. But as many windows we put in this house, they were done in one day. So that was amazing.
One of the biggest things that we do differently at North Georgia Replacement Windows is take each step approach, working with not only the scheduling for every single homeowner. When we come into your house, we lay tarps down, we pull things away to make sure that it is cleaner after we finish than when it was when we first showed up.
You know, they're partnered with the greatest window that I feel like in the Atlanta market. Paired with, you know, our install team. They're all certified. We keep training each and every month. These guys on our install team, they care.
I want them to feel like this experience was something that they can share with all their friends and family and people that they know. And I feel that the more people get that good quality help and care, it'll translate into others very easily.